Maybe. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. With the current inflation of the US dollars and the printing of trillions of dollars, nobody knows how often we will continue printing. The longer we have to wear masks, the longer that social distancing is enforced, and the longer people have to work from home, the less productive we'll be, and inevitably, the more money the US government is going to print, which is really the key of today's conversation. So many people have realized that certain goods that aren't easily replicated, such as trading cards, real estate, and even cryptocurrency. Things that are valued in US dollars are now going to be valued in more US dollars. Even though I have personally never bought a crypto coin, which is kind of funny to call it a crypto coin. I mean, why not just call it like, you know, a crypto bra or maybe a crypto slap in the face, because you don't get slapped in the face when you buy crypto. You don't have a bra when you buy crypto. And guess what? You can't hold a crypto coin either. However, cryptocurrency has been absolutely on fire. The price has been elevating substantially. Yet I am not here today to talk to you about the future of cryptocurrency. I see as the blockchain gets more and more complex, certain coins will rotate out and others in. And if you're one of the first coins, or the more famous ones like Bitcoin or Ethereum, maybe then you can find something that will potentially go up in value, right? However, I'm not here to tell you that this is just for education and entertainment purposes only. I'm going to give you my 2 cents. Kindly read this slide within its entirety. Pause it, read it. I don't give stock picks. I don't give investment advice. Nothing at all do I do when it comes to that. Now that we got that out of the way, I want to share with you my opinion, if that's okay. So, today we're going to be looking at a simple trend line. Can one simple trend line predict the bounce of cryptocurrency? I don't know. I'm thinking that there's a good chance it can. And what I'm going to share with you today is not only the trend line, but how I drew it. And I'm going to be talking about BSV, which is Bitcoin Satoshi's vision. It was one of those like Indian rites of passage where he had to, drop some hallucinogenic drugs within the desert, and only if he found his way home would he be able to step into manhood. But taking a look at Bitcoin Satoshi's vision, I'm going to show you the power of trend lines here. And you might be looking at this chart saying, what do you think about it? It's kind of nuts, Mark. The BSV, and again, we're using Bitfinex exchange, so I really don't give what exchange you're using. So when I give prices here, I'm referring to this exchange. Granted, there's obviously correlation between the exchanges, but just for the sakes of numerical values, this is what I'm doing. And I want to show you this trend line right here. And that simply attaches the August 2nd high. If you draw a trend line perfectly to the August 2nd high, perfectly touching the November 24th high of 2020, you'll get something that comes over here. Now we flush through it, we've went back up, we've sort of leaned down against it, and now it looks like, potentially we could be going back up again. And this is something that I just wanted to show you because, again, so many people are like, is Bitcoin going up from here? I think that in the next 48 hours, there's a very good probability that this thing could move 10% higher. Again, I don't currently have it. I am not currently buying it. I currently don't give an F about it. But for those who do, I want to just show you, maybe just from an educational standpoint. Again, exactly, what I'm saying is there's no reason why I think the next trend here isn't right over here. And yes, I do think there's a 10% potential upside. So it's trading 203 by 204. Let's even call it 204. So a 10% upside on 204 is about $225. I could easily see it getting over here. And for a lot of people, 25% of your money is good enough. But the truth is, I have no idea if it continues. I have no idea where it's going to go. But technically speaking, it looks like it could go higher. You feel me? That's just, again, my 2 cents, and I'm not buying it. I just want to teach you the trend lines from an algorithmic perspective and how robots work. So, yeah, so based off this trend line here, based on what I am seeing here, I have a short-term target of 225. Can it keep rocketing higher as we print trillions and trillions of dollars? Sure. Why not? Maybe yes, maybe no. One of those things will be right. I'm not telling you to buy it. I'm not effing buying it. There's too many easy ways to make money in the market that I don't need to touch this crap and taint my hands with the filth of a cryptocurrency coin. You know, you can't wash your hands afterwards with it because I guess you can't physically touch it. But for whatever you want to call it, again, this is what it is. And that's what I'm watching. I think this thing could go to 225 short term. I think it could happen within the next 48 hours. And I just wanted to share that with you. Stay safe out there. Hope you guys are having a wonderful extended weekend here. Stay smart. We'll see you guys next time. Links in the description if you like anything we do.